This smoothie has a bit of a twist because what we're doing is adding some tomato. So I'm going to start off with some strawberries, just a handful, and notice I haven't cut the tops off, so just leave them on. And then we put in some tomato. What we'll do there is add in about half a tomato and then some of my favourite immune boosting blackberries. So that's done. To that we're going to add some hemp milk. You do about 200 mils as usual. This is going to give you a really good antioxidant boost, a great kickstart to the day. Pop your lid on and then blast away for 30 seconds. Mixing the fruit together with the vegetable will lower the glycemic load. That's what you want, steady energy release. Have a look at this. Again, a beautiful, bright red colour.